such a good moment that I'm in touch with all of you. Maybe we can keep on entering people who are there in the lobby. If you could just look. Now we're 53 in number. That seems to be pretty good.
वो लड़के को क्या करूँ क्या मंगा मैसेज दूसरा कौन मैसेज का ऑफिस तो वो वहाँ की ऑर्गेनाइजर है ये डाला मैंने
So we all can have our videos on and say hello to each other. It's perfectly all right. And somebody wants to say, share something, some experience. We're just warming up. I can see Minu. I can see Nishi, Gandha. It's all right. We can have our videos on for some time and say hello to each other. We're just 51. If I'm not wrong, if I look at the chat, the number. So that's it. Anybody else? So some of us are comfortable not looking at each other. Fine. The choice is entirely yours. So it's okay. And
Good evening, Paramjit ma'am. Good evening, Meenu ma'am. Good
wow,
evening,
that's
everyone.
lovely. Yeah. Good evening, everyone.
Very
I have.
good
Yeah,
evening.
Sonu. Miss Sonu is also there. Yes, Sonu, ma'am. How are you?
Fine,
Fine.
ma'am. Thank you.
That's so lovely. That's
Good
so great. Who else would like to say hello to everybody else? What a beautiful technology we have, this Microsoft Teams that we are all meeting. Yes, now I have Kalyani. Hello, Kalyani. How are you? Can't hear you. Unmute yourself. Kalyani, unmute yourself.
Okay. Good evening, PK. Good evening,
Yeah,
everyone.
Good evening, everyone.
yeah.
This is Gagandeep.
So, Gagan
Yeah,
here. So this is
Gagandeep.
Hi, good
PK.
evening,
Sir,
everybody. Yeah.
So this is PK here.
we were
It's such a
thinking,
pleasure.
ma'am.
It's such a pleasure to meet all of you. I just love you all. See,
Yes. Thank you. We
uh,
too.
the complaints which I find is many of us have not started. Then what? How does it matter? We are here to start. Some do it immediately. Some take time. Inertia for some is it takes long time to overcome that inertia. And then, tiring times, taxing times, COVID times. And during this time, if somebody is not comfortable to start, it's all right. That's what Cohen says. This project can be extended. My only concern is all those educators who are here now. If you have not started, it's all right. We start now. The sky is not going to fall if we have not started. And remember, we are educators, right? And we are here to facilitate learning of our children. And if with certain steps we take, if we can facilitate that learning, we have won the battle. So half the battle is won. And then, we all voluntary people here. We all want to do good to the society. We all want to work for SDG 13, climate action. We all working for it. It's voluntary. Nobody can force us to do a particular job. Same here. We cannot force you, please do this project. The only thing we can say, you voluntarily for this. So if you have registered, please let's do it. As simple as that. A little delay on my part, a little laziness on my part would deprive my children of an experience which they rightly deserve. That's what we have to keep it in mind. So if we don't take the initiative as teachers, how will our children learn? It's their world. Tomorrow is theirs, right? So if it's their world, let them take care of their world. And that, I believe, is only possible if all of us start working for this climate action project. You know what? We have been working for this for the past 4 years. This is the fourth year running. I thought I'll let somebody in. So this is the fourth year running, and we have been doing a wonderful job. I'm not here to blow trumpet. I'm just here to motivate you. We painted one wall of a classroom, the veranda wall, the corridor wall, and we put it into two parts. One was gray and black and white, and the other was green and yellow, and it would just merge into it. And then we had the paintings of the children One set of paintings were just black and white, and we put it in the black and white, and the other one, which was colorful, was the colorful world. And over there on the top, it was written climate action, #climate action P. If you take care of climate, this is the colorful world which we deserve, we'll get it. But if we do not take care of the climate, this is the black and white world which we're going to get. So my concern is that if you have not started, it's all right. The facilitators are worried, they are upset, they are concerned, ma'am, they're not, some of us are not doing it. I've been trying. I have already mailed them so much. But don't you know, facilitators, my dear facilitators, in a class also, some children just don't do it. And how we hold their hands and say, please, for my sake, do it. Some of my teachers may not like to do a certain job. I'll say, please, please, please do it for me. Please do it for me. You know, it's the please, the magic of please which works. So if we say, you better do it, you don't do it. If you don't do it, then I'm not responsible. That doesn't work in present scenario. If it was a normal world, it would have worked. Today, the times are not normal. We don't know what's going into somebody's head at somebody's place. Do they have a COVID patient in the house or the neighborhood, or somebody has already experienced something sad? So we have to keep all the cool, all the patience in the world. If some of the educators join us and move ahead for climate action, it's all right. If they do not join, then also it's all right. All right. So I have said my little bit. I'll just once again, to those who have joined for the first time, I'll just briefly tell you what this climate action project is all about. And then we'll have one of the participants to tell us, what they have done. And then we'll have that, from where to find these partners and all those things. That's what we are primarily to discuss. And apart from this, if somebody has some challenge, in between we had this challenge, we could not upload our work. I got a call from Sharvi. So she called up to say, I can't do it. But then I said, we are having a Teams call, and I'm sure we'll help you out. And in the meantime, Kalyani wrote that it has already, because of too many visitors, it crashed down, and now it's going to set right. And we all in the facilitators group, and there we saw it. And it was nice on Kalyani's part. And Kalyani, I like the blue shirt you're wearing in that climate action picture. Not today. The picture which is there on the website, the climate action website. Anyway.
It is in Austria, ma'am. It is in Austria.
All right. It's a nice picture. So anyways, here am I to have a brief gist, and then I would take a back seat. I want everybody to share the experience and speak as much anybody wants. And then, of course, shoot the questions. We are there to answer. A brief. Week 1 is what is climate change and what is the definition and what are the causes. Everybody, most of us have done week 1. Charu, Chabra, please look into all people who are there in the lobby, let them in. And then week 2 is effects of climate change. And then, of course, we do some plantation. That's week 2. Week 3 is local to global, and that's what is happening now. That is, we have to talk about the causes and effects globally. What are the causes and effects globally? In India, this is happening. In my area, in Punjab, this is happening. In Hyderabad, it's raining terribly. So all that we talk about, and we talk to students of other schools, most probably of different continents. The sky never falls if you cannot find a partner. If you can find, congratulations. If you cannot find, everybody can, I'm willing to speak to students from all the schools. No issues. You can talk about, you can tell me what's happening. So we still do the Skype session. We can have this Teams call the way we're having right now. We can have it. It's okay. We do it amongst us. If you don't get an international partner, it's all right. But yes, we'll try to help you out. And maybe one of the teachers, one of the participants might share how to find a partner today. So we might have that session also. And then week 4 is what a potential solution. There's a longest list, and we add our own solutions also, whatever we have discussed. And then week 5 is live interaction by experts and webinars, and we celebrate the Climate Action Day. So that's also there. And week 6 is take action, bring change. So we go with representations to the governments. We write letters. We go to the mayor. We go to the SDM. We do something of that particular type. And we have actually done it in the previous years. Now, I have my facilitators. Kalyani, would you like to say something before we move ahead? I would like all my facilitators to speak now, one by one, one after the other, so that we can share what are the challenges they are facing. We are all here to help. Simple. Facilitators are there just to help. Yes, Kalyani, would you like to share?
Yes, PK, thank you so much. Uh, I'm already having association with my local schools too, and one in Bangalore. It's running like smoothly, and sometimes they're adjusting time. And the group which are given from your side, I mean your end, it's my group, I can say. So they're around 21, and since 1 week, I'm not getting any response. Though I given them chance, I've told them, even Cohen told you can go slowly because there are the possibilities in the school and there are many challenges, examinations, etc. So at least I told them to make a group of junior group and senior group so that every class want to integrate with a new school, but they have not done with any lesson activities. I mean weekly activities. So I told make A and B groups. So it's easy for me to coordinate with one other country's school. So I kept the partners also ready, but none of the person, I mean none of that team giving me actual response. I don't know the reason. They told long back it is exams. Okay, I said exams okay, but at least you give me WhatsApp message. At least one thing whenever I'm sending your messages and interviews and all what the Cohen is sending. So only one or two candidates accept that no one is responding, and that is one challenge I'm facing. And second thing is I would like to know about the week 4. There is a question by many teachers from my end like week 4 they're asking about the videos. They have to take videos from schools in 3 continents. Like what is that actually? I didn't understand because this is the first gap for me.
What are potential solutions? The longest list of solutions is there, so we just have to give some solutions, possible solutions.
I mean, we have to collect from other countries' schools,
No,
three country schools.
no. It's not like that. We have to give possible solutions. Maybe another facilitator can help us out. We have to say, let's not burn the, let's not cut the forest. All these are solutions, right? Something like that.
We have to give a solution for 3 countries. That's what you mean.
I'll just check that particular part right away. We'll be seeing the website. Maybe I'll tell the one of the participants to show me where it is there. All right. I just scanned through today only before this. And so that is it. Okay.
Ma'am, Paramjit ma'am, can I?
Yes. Who's there?
Nishigandha.
Okay. So just a minute. Kalyani, is it over from your end, beta?
Yes, I am done, ma'am. I just look forward for your support, how to resolve this problem, how to reach my team. My team is into silence mode. Actually,
right.
I even told them
It's
if
all
you have
right.
any.
It's all right if they're in silent mode. It's okay. The very fact that they registered, they are winners. We hold on. We give them some time. If they don't want to take this journey, it's okay. We don't lose our spirit. We keep sending mails. We keep talking to them. We keep doing our job. But if they don't want to do it, it's all right. As I said, COVID times. Otherwise, it never happens like this in Climate Action Project. Everybody takes part. This is the first time we're facing this challenge. Okay? So relax, Kalyani. It's all right. You're doing your bit. Fine. I know you're very active in the facilitators group.
Other schools have done the collaboration with the schools.
No, it's all right.
Everything is going on.
Those teams which have agreed and done something, make sure that you give them international partners. Otherwise, I said, if nobody finds anybody, I am there to talk about climate action. I am there to listen to what your students have done. So at least the children have the experience of talking to a stranger or somebody from another school or somebody from another city, right? It's 21 CLD. So it is communication, skill communication, which we are practicing also. It's collaboration, which we are talking about. It's all right. Creativity and, of course, self-regulation, all these are also there, but it's okay. It's all right. Okay. So yes, now we go to Nishi. Nishi, you wanted to say something. Can you please uh, share what you
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
say? You can even have a video on so that we have a good look. Yeah.
Yeah. Hello, can you see me?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, this was about what Kalyani ma'am had asked. Because what I've read, I'm just tell what I understood from that. It's like last week, third week, we have to interact with the different schools from different countries.
That is there.
Okay, and probably different continents, and we have to find out what are the problems they are facing and what are the solutions they are planning to, and what are the actions they will be planning to. So accordingly, we have to just do interactions and find out the solutions and upload it on the site which is given, as of what I have understood. And
Yeah.
even the fourth week, it is open for interactions. So is it correct, ma'am, what I'm like interpreting from this?
Yeah. See, you're right. Actually, what we have been doing all these time is this only, local to global. What are the causes and effects?
Local to
This is the
global.
third week wherein we are supposed to interact with children and schools from other countries. What I want to say, if we can interact, very good. But look at India. It's such a versatile and a huge country. Weather
Yes.
in Punjab is different, and it's so cold and severe cold. And when we talk about Mumbai, they hardly wear sweaters. The challenges over there are different there over here.
Different.
See, if we say I cannot get partners, I cannot do it, so this is the solution for that cannot part.
Cannot.
Otherwise,
Yes.
we are a Microsoft Showcase school, we have so many partners, we can connect you with those partners. All right, we can do everything. We can connect amongst ourselves. So many of us are the
Yes.
MIE experts. We can all do it. We already have so many Skype partners. We are in that group where we have teachers from the entire country, from different countries also. So we can actually find some partners at our own level also. So where there's a will, there's a way. Where there's no will, then it's all right. We can be in the silent mode. It's okay. People are like that. You cannot make the world run on your terms and conditions. You cannot make learning happen because you want people to learn. It's only when the enlightenment comes, they will do it. And I'm sure after all this talk, some of us are going to leave our seat and walk a little bit. Okay, so third week is local to global, where we're supposed to interact. Of course, whatever we do, we have to make a video. All right,
Okay.
or make
And
a picture,
it's
or make
open
a
on
Padlet,
in
or
fourth
make
week
something
also
and share.
because
These
okay.
are the, the proofs in a way.
Okay.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
So
we had an interaction with DPS. So it was a nice experience, and with Brazil also.
well, that's so good.
So I just wanted to ask, is it open for next week also?
It is open bidet. This never climate is a challenge throughout. You finish it off now. You can continue as many talks you want to have
Interactions.
with,
Okay.
yeah, interactions.
Okay.
There's no issue. Okay, we can
Thank you.
continue.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, God
Thank you.
bless you. All right. So Gagan, would you like to say something, please? Unmute yourself, Gagan.
Ma'am, Sharvi here.
Okay, so Gagan has to wait. Let the ladies have a turn first. Gagan, is it okay?
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
After that. Yes, go ahead, please.
Yes, ma'am. From where we will get the schools to interact?
Okay, so we'll come to it. Just give me some 5-7 minutes. I'll ask Nisha. Nisha is there. She's going to show us the website. Okay, hold on for
Okay.
5-7
Thank you, ma'am.
minutes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, Gagan. Now grab the
Okay.
opportunity and speak.
Thank you so much, Paramjit ma'am, for giving me opportunity. This is my first year of participating as a facilitator, as well as participant for this climate action project. And as a facilitator, I'm sending the mails to all the teachers in my group, and you're also in CC in that. The main challenge that I'm facing is only one or two are replying back, or like not everybody's like, it's the same thing as Kalyani ma'am has said. So as of now, everybody's in a silent mode. So we are trying. We are just keep encouraging them that they should participate.
Again, you're muted, Gagan. You're muted again.
I don't know how it has happened.
It
Okay,
happens.
So we are encouraging the teachers to participate like and again in the climate action facilitators group. Probably I'm not active in the WhatsApp group, but I am actively participating and working towards this climate action project. As a facilitator, I'm just encouraging as a participant myself. We have done a lot in our school. I'm encouraging the teachers and students of my group because I'm a senior school teacher, mathematics teacher. So I'm encouraging all my students to work towards this climate project. And yesterday we had a collaboration with Malaysia School, and there were people from the 8 different countries like Peru, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Kenya, Netherlands, India. There are various schools from all of these countries, and we have collaboratively discussed about causes and effects of climate change.
Very
And
good.
in the coming week, I am hosting that session, one of the sessions, and I'm collaborating with the school from Portugal and Ukraine, as well as I'm
Let me
waiting.
join in also.
Sure,
Let me
definitely.
join in also.
I will definitely send you the
Yeah,
link for
yeah,
that.
yeah.
So we as a school are hosting the session for these schools. We are collaboratively will work together, and we will find out the possible solution, which is the task for week 4.
Yeah. So what you can do, Gagan, those teachers who are there in your group, see what if they've not done first week, second week, give them an experience of this collaborative interaction. So anybody wants to
Definitely,
join, please join. See,
definitely. I will send that.
in
Please send
life,
me also, Gaganji. Please
Sure,
send me invitation.
in life,
definitely.
helping is important. What you get, you don't get that, forget about it. All right. And people have lots of gratitude. So just keep helping people. Don't worry. Isne kiya, nahi kiya. It's all right. This is the way it happens. Maybe I'm a little elder to all of you, so I've started my pravachans. Maybe, but that's exactly what it is. All right. So now let me share here that last year in India, our school was the one which had maximum Skype sessions. We connected with, I think, 464 schools in 48 hours. And I can't recall the countries, Charu Chabra, if you can correct me. Maybe 60 or something, 48 or something, some countries. 57 countries. And in 48 hours, it was day and night, and we did the maximum Skype sessions. All right. So we are there for Skype sessions. 10th and 11th is when we are going to have the Skype-a-thon or the Global Learning Connect, as they've given the new name. All of us going to connect at that time also. All right. And we'll talk about climate action. That's what I'm saying. Don't worry if they've not found from outside. If we can find, it's thumbs up for that particular teacher and collaborator and facilitator, because you have given an awesome experience to your children. So hats off to that facilitator and the teacher who has done it. Those who have not done it, don't let your children miss an opportunity which they rightly deserve. All right. We have to be teachers par excellence. All right.
Yeah.
So do we have Anuradha here and Charu also, the other facilitator, not Charu Chabra. Charu from Pathways Aravali, do we have?
Hi, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, Charu. And G stands for what, bete?
Sorry?
It's Charu and then G. G
Gupta.
stands for what?
This is Charu Gupta. I'm so sorry, I'm traveling right now, so it's going to be
No,
a little
you
difficult.
said you'll try to join, bete.
Yeah,
I'm very
this is,
thankful you
yeah. So
joined.
I'm here. I've been listening to everything. I'll just be very quick about this. Thank you so much for the opportunity, and it's working out really, really well. I have been in touch with all the teachers who have been assigned to me, and we have been talking about it. I am very grateful to the ones who have been getting back to me. They have been sharing their videos with me and discussing their queries and questions with me. However, the others, we are still waiting for the others to respond and get in touch with us. So similar concerns as the others, but I do have quite a few of them who are getting in touch and who are sharing their work with me. So very grateful for that. I'll wait for the answers to the other people's questions, and I had similar queries. Thank you.
All right. Okay. Thank you, dear. Thank you. And then Anuradha is there, another facilitator, please. Anuradha, if you're there, you can also speak. See, half the battle is won. All of us are there on the same platform. Anuradha, are you there, sweetheart? I don't find my Anuradha. Never mind. I'll try to connect her. Now we move on to Nisha. Disha, can you please share the website and share what your students have been doing, please?
Yes, good evening, everyone. This is Nisha, science teacher from Kamla Nehru Public School. So I am just sharing my screen wherein like you people are asking regarding the from to make that how to connect with other classroom. So I'm just sharing my screen right away. So I hope my screen is visible.
Not visible.
Yet, taking some time. Yeah, it's visible now.
So yes, thank you, ma'am. So the website link is already, it has been given to all of us in the email, but let you know once again, it's Climate Action. So yes, it's climateaction.info/join us. So once you will go to this link, I'll share the link in the chat box also so that you may directly go to that link and things. So it's just loading. So I've already opened that one such, yeah. So it will look like this when it open. You need to when you have registered with the Climate Action Project, you have given a ID and a password. So during this sign in, you need to use that ID and password. Once you will use that ID, then this will come, view, change password or edit. So we have to go to view option. Right? So, yeah, the one thing which is important is you may build your own network also. For example, like let me click on this, your network means I may follow others teachers who are participating in this project to build my connection, right? So here there are some of the teachers whom I am following that will actually help us to connect with their classroom. So these are some of the teachers from different countries that I am following. How you build your network? Let me tell you, you need to build your, click on build your network. Now there is an option of country. Let me select Algeria, right? So all the teachers who are participating from Algeria, they will come here. So there is only one teacher. Let me follow him. So I follow. In this way, you may build your network, right? Again, if I want to go for some other country, so I'm going there. I'm selecting, let me select one of the one more country. So it's Cyprus. So all the teachers from Cyprus, they are there. So you may follow them. That will help to build your network, right? Now, how you may go for that Skype session, right? For the virtual connect. Again, in the view, if you can see, this is very important. Virtual exchanges. There are virtual exchanges. So here, as you can see, we may connect with other Climate Action Project classroom through virtual exchange. And there you may find matching teacher and schedule your virtual exchange. So if I'll click there according to, let me show you. I'm just clicking it there. See, here my availability dates will also shown there. That from October 16, 2020 till November 5, I'll be there at any time. I have set my availability like this. If I want to add another availability according to my, my ease, I may add that also, right? So how to find other climate action teachers or participants, see, this is the area where you will you have to frame or you have to find them. From date, let me select from today onwards, right? So today it's 17 itself, so I'm 17 to, let me I just want that till 21st I would like to know how many teachers are available. I'll click the date. So these are all the teachers who are available between these 3 dates, between these days from 16 October to 21. These are. So we may connect, we may ask for their availability. There are so many teachers. You may see Aparna Mishra, Vijay Lakshmi, Ramila, Neetu. You may also go for the country. Like if I say, I would like to know anybody from Australia. So I'll click on that. So it will show all the teachers who will be there from Australia. So till now there is only one participant from Australia that will be available on Friday, October 30, 2020, and his time is 12 a.m. to 1:30. Right? So let me, if I'll click there, you may see this option. This, if I click there, automatically to the name of the participant is JHU from Nisha Jassal. Here is my ID. I have already chosen the date. I may write my message over there that I would like to, my classroom would like to connect with you on so and so date. So regarding what, because we, what in week 3, what we are doing, we are sharing, we are going from local to global. So to share our students' causes and effect. So we may write additional information. We may write our messages, personal messages, and the times or the date slot or what we are going to discuss. And then we may send connection request. And automatically this request will go to their ID by which they have registered for the project. So this way you may go for the people to interact virtually. Means we may find classroom to interact with us virtually. I hope till now it is clear. So again, I'll tell, we on the view side, on clicking on the build your connection, you may follow other participants from all the countries to build our connection. And by going to their option where there is a virtual exchange, you may go there. You have to add your availability also, so that other teachers, other participants may also connect with you. So that is also necessary. You have to add your availability also. Add new availability date. I may add my new availability date also, but I have opened 24 hours. I have opened the link for that they may interact with me at any time between this to this. Right? And how we can find? So there in the search option, we may find the date. You may let me tell you once again, from 17, if I say till November 5 or till 31st October, those who are there, they will be, I may find these. So you may see lots and lots of teachers are there by whom we may connect. They are from Australia, they are from Saudi Arabia, China, right? Romania, Israel. So with anyone, we may interact by sending them request. So this is how we can send them connection request. Now, yeah, just a second. Again, here you may see how to upload your work. Week 1 timeline is there. Week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. So we can add our work over there by, if I add week 1, I'll click on this option. Here, if it is a causes, like I would like to add the causes of climate change. I will give the title causes of climate change. You may give the description also, what you have discussed or what your children have given you suggestion and what your children have given the causes. You may write that also. Here is the option where you can place your video. This is add week 1. This is the portion where you may add your video. You may add the YouTube link also. You may add your OneDrive link also. But week you have to choose only one, because there they have mentioned we have to choose only one. So either it may be the YouTube link or it may be your OneDrive. And even if you have made a presentation, you may go there and you can upload the PPT as well. PPT or Word document, right? So there you may choose file, there you may upload your PPT, Word document or PDF. And if you have made a Sway, never mind, you may have the URL to Sway also. Sway, Padlet, and Flipgrid. So there is also an option of adding Sway, Padlet and Flipgrid. So you may add the link of your Sway, Padlet or Flipgrid also. This is the way you may add your video. Then you have to agree with this that or you have to click that I agree my presentation video or link can be published on this website and may be linked on social media as well. So our work will be showcased in this website also. This is how you may add your video. So for causes, so there also they have written in the third point, find the longest list of causes and the longest list of effects, right? So here, when we add our causes will go to the longest list of the causes and effects. It will add on to that. So we will click on that. This is the easiest one. You may add whatever causes your children have told. So you may add that also. There are also some of the causes from the list, from the longest list that actually appears there when you click on the this causes option. You may select that also. You may add your own causes as well. This is how you may add the causes. Then last we have the images. So like our children have created some posts, our children have created some posters, right? And even like in week 2 we have like children have to add images also by clicking on this. So by add images, it's just loading. So if I click on add images again, you may add all the images over there. This is how you will upload your work. Same goes to all the weeks. In week 2, you may add week 2 work. You may upload week 2 work. Again, the video, effects and images. In week 3, you have to again add when we will be doing the virtual interaction. So by this, you may add the new file out, right? So means we have to upload our work week wise, and week 4 also, then week 5 and then week 6. And this is also given that if we are not able to do the live interaction in this week, we may go for live interaction till whenever we are getting dates or whenever we are getting any confirmation from the person with whom we are connected. So if you people have not done any virtual interaction, so I will say don't worry, we can connect with them anytime throughout this whole climate action project timeline. So I hope it is clear regarding the how to find the teachers and how to schedule your virtual exchange and how to upload the work. Now I would like to call Satinda ma'am. She'll share what done
Nisha, I
in
had
these 2
some
weeks.
doubt here. Nisha, I have a doubt.
Yes, ma'am.
Nisha, the last screen when you explained about uploading the video, all these things, but that link was not working because even yesterday, one of my group member, even now she sent me the image. When we are adding, we're trying to add in the climate action main project site, it is not accepting. It is closed. It's showing that it is closed. It is not accepting. Can you try to upload any link from your end in week 1 and week 2?
Actually, your voice was correct. Repeat, ma'am.
Is it audible? 1 second. Am I audible now? Hello? Am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, you're audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, actually, the last last screen, I think you shared, no, that the week 1, week 2 uploading there. There, a few people are finding problem because they are lately uploading. No, it is not accepting. It's showing like it is closed. I have a screenshot. If you want, I can share to Paramjit in the WhatsApp. Even yesterday morning, yesterday night, and today this one. When you upload the link here, it is not accepting for week 1 and week 2.
Okay, ma'am, can you please share the screenshot in the chat window? What is it?
Kalyani, maybe, too much of traffic, so it has not happened, but normally it opens up. If we couldn't do it earlier, we can keep trying, and I'm sure it'll work because everybody has to do it.
Okay, Kavaljit, I think she's there in the group. Kavaljit, can you explain to Nisha?
Yes, good evening, everyone. Ma'am, I just wanted to clear. Actually, I was using the Facebook and now I've forgotten my Facebook account password.
Yeah.
So what I did is I registered yesterday again, or you can say one day prior than that. So now what is happening? The message that it is giving me is saying once your account is upgraded, you are fully a part of that research. So now that person is saying you need to confirm by Kion and reach out and speed up your work. So am I going to the right procedure or am I wrong?
Ma'am, earlier you have registered with your Facebook account?
Yes, Facebook. It was accepting Facebook only, ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, if you have forgot your Facebook password, if you have like forget, then you may go for the forget your password. Then you can reset your password also.
I have done, ma'am, many a times after trying. What I did is I have again registered in this climate action project. So I have got a new password. That's not a problem, ma'am. But the message which is showing me says that you need to be confirmed by Kion. So then once your account is upgraded, you are fully a part of our project. That's what message I am receiving.
So
Because
now
all the videos are ready, no doubt. But if you could just help me out in this.
Kamaljit, that means they're treating you as a fresh case, and then Cohen is supposed to put you in another group. So
no,
maybe Kalyani, you can put it in the facilitators group that this is what has happened. Now we need your support, and please look into this particular case. It might work that way.
Sure. I will forward it in the main group. I will do it immediately after the meeting. I'll just do it.
That is the only way it's going to work.
Yes, Cohen will immediately reply for this immediately. Yes, I do that. Okay. Because yesterday he was reporting that the site was not working. I thought that this is related to that. Now I'm going to forward it in the main group. Thank you so much.
Okay. All right. So any doubt with anybody else have which is pertaining to Nisha, what she has told? You can put the questions, please. Otherwise, over to Satyendra. She can share what her students have been doing. And anybody wants to share anything, please go ahead and have as many questions as you want so that together we can help each other and sort out these issues.
Ma'am, even my password is not opening. I mean, I have forgotten my password. It's not opening.
So, Nisha, you have shown the slide where it is written change password, forgot password, change it.
Ma'am, nothing is happening.
Sure, ma'am.
You just showed it and there was an option there.
Sure. Actually, same happened with me also. The password which I have registered, which I have given, the same password I was putting for so many time. It was not taking, ma'am. Then I forgot password, and then I again built a new password. Then it start taking the same issue that you are saying, ma'am. I have already gone through that. They were not taking my old password with which I have registered. I was very much clear that this is my password, but it was not accepting that. So I reset password. Let me take you forgot your password. I go there and then I reset my password. I got it in my Gmail with which I have. They have sent me a link. Then I click on that. They told me that put your new password, confirm your mail, and then now it's perfectly working, ma'am. This happened for the very first time when you log in after registering. After registering, after registering, when I have logged in, this actually happened during that time with me.
Okay, then share, bete, where are we
Yes.
supposed to?
So I'll again go to that link. This is the link. Let me sign out first. See. If I go to sign in, actually, I think I have already logged in for the same.
See, there I can see that change password is view, change password, edit was there on that slide.
Yes, ma'am. I'm just going there.
Okay.
See, there, change password. So that is when we actually remember our current password, ma'am. I got that very like if I want to change, I have shared my password with one or more people. Therein I for that therein I need to go for current password. Then they will do very first, ma'am. When we logged in, that option we got it. Just like in Gmail and Facebook, they have written at the right side forgot password. Same option is there. I just need to sign out. Actually, I have. I'll do it on my phone because on laptop, to reduce number of times I have, I have written that you may take my password. Just please.
So it's all right, Nisha. Then we can we can share some issues. See, now this team link is always alive, so you can put your queries over there, and Nisha would answer these queries. Okay, so this is for everybody. In the meantime, we move on to Satinder if she would like to say something. Okay, Nisha, you can. Everybody can put the questions, queries in the chat window, and they can always access this link and put something, and I'm sure Nisha can answer.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. I will, ma'am. It would be my pleasure, ma'am.
Yes, Satinder, over to you, dear.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So now I'm going to share with you that how we and our students started working as a grade 8 students are participating in this climate action project. We are 115 in number, and how we have started our journey of climate action project. As in the week one, we have to work on the causes of climate change. So what we have done, how we started our planning, we have well-being calls. In the well-being calls, we get chance to interact with our students, and there we utilize that well-being time very well, and we discussed about the climate action project. From where we have started the discussion, we started discussion about asking the students what is climate change, and students have given variety of answers according to their understanding. They have shared what is climate change, and ultimately we come out with the conclusion that what is actually climate change and how it's affecting our mother earth. So then what we started, now the next task is given to the students, that now they are going to look around their local area, what are the causes. They can see that the climate change is there. So students, really, you don't believe that they have worked very beautifully. The As now is the harvest, rice harvest is going on in the Punjab. So one child of mine, what he did, he just clicked the pictures, what the harvest waste was being, uh, they are burning, the farmers are burning that harvest waste. So the child has taken the pictures of that, because lots of smoke is coming out from there, from the lands, from the fields, and it's creating too much of pollution over there. So they have created a video of that, they have created a picture, they have taken the picture of that. And the second, we have a mill in our Fagwara city. It's a big mill, starch mill, and there's lots of smoke is coming out from that mill. They have taken that issue also, that is also a cause of the climate change, because lots of pollution is coming out, and it's affecting the whole city. And moreover, the not only the human beings, the creature, the other beings, like the birds, are also affected because of that smoke. And then we have the one child, very beautifully she has shared her surroundings, where the garbage sweeper used to collect from the houses. What that person is doing, he was collecting the garbage and he's putting in one place, and there he put the fire on that garbage. So because of that also, lots of pollution is there in their locality. So the students very beautifully, they have created the sways on these issues. They have made the Adobe Spark post over there, and even some students have made the PPT also. So wonderfully, they have explained the first that what is climate change and what are the causes of climate change in their locality. So they started working from their local area, from their own city, from their own village. As our school is in village area, so many students are coming from villages. So they started doing, as I have shared you the picture, the event of that harvester, the waste burning. So that a village child has shared with us, and beautifully he presented it. And now the week 2 comes, and now after understanding the causes, now students started working on the effects of it. And what they have shared with us, because of all these reasons, this year, if I specifically talk about my our city, that is Fagwara, yes, we have very less rainfall over there. So the reasons they have said, the fact.
Excuse me, Satinder ma'am, you are muted.
Yeah, Satinder, you're muted now, please.
So, I from where I have to start, I don't know. I was continuously talking. Where I left, from where I
Nisha,
got unmuted.
Nisha, guide.
From effects or
Yes,
the
From
ma'am.
the school child activity that one village child has done, the activity
oh,
from there you have to continue.
so means from the causes, I have was talking about the causes only. So yes, from
Ma'am,
second, yeah, Nisha ma'am.
ma'am, you were talking about your city effects, like from
Okay,
there you
fine.
was. Yes, yes, ma'am.
Good. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, Nisha ma'am. So yes, and so yeah, we did our work on the effects now, as the students are familiar with the causes in their area, in their locality. So with this, they come to the conclusion that due to many regions, due to these causes, in our city we have very less rainfall this year. Fine, and this was the one reason, and another we can say that untimely rainfall is there. And the students have taken this privilege. What step is being taken by the students is that this did the plantation. Okay, we did tree plantation, and around their house, if there is some place where they can plant a tree, they have a planted tree over there. They have shared their pictures with us. And moreover, the some of the students who were not having their, who are living in the city area, who are not having place around, so what they did, they put a sapling in the pot, and very beautifully they did this job. And even they are very much satisfied that they are doing something for their own city, for, and they have understood this issue very well, that how this issue is going to affect our mother earth and the whole world. And now the third week we are working on it, as we are going to have live interaction with the other country people, or in our country also. And so till now we have booked 6 Skype sessions, but yet we have not got any confirmation. But we are very much hopeful that in coming weeks surely we are going to get confirmation, and we are going to have Skype, and our students are also looking forward to have a interactive session with the other schools. And yes, there we in the Skype session we are going to work from local to global. So there, our students are going to share their global issue, the climate change issues, and obviously they are going to come to know about the issues which other countries are facing, or the different continents countries. They are going to learn what are their issue, what type of climate issues are there in their country. So till now, this is the work which our students have done. So that's all from my side, and till now we have done this much of work, and really the students have done great job. So I cannot share my screen, otherwise I think I am attendee. So I could show you my students work. They have made a beautiful Adobe Sparks also, and the real picture which I have talking about, the harvest one, it is also there. But anyways, thank you, principal ma'am, Paramjit ma'am, and that's all from my side. Thank you to all the educators. Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you very much, Nisha, and thank you very much, Sitinder. So for just sharing your work. We're just here to encourage each other. We are here to make everybody feel great. And that's exactly what you all have done. Thank you so much. Now over to anybody and everybody who would like to say something, have a question, have a problem. We all here to sort out the issues. Anybody wants to say something?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
May I share my screen once again to show how they can reset their password, because I just signed out and I got that option.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm just sharing my screen. This is for those who said that they got an issue in resetting password. See, when you will log in, I just logged out my account. I got this. I need to go there, log in. Here, I use my this ID because they have not taken my previous password. I go to forgot password. This is the way I did, and I got my message in my email. So you may, I will write here my email address once again. Then they will, I click on this email new password. Then I am getting, see, so they further instruction they have been sent to my email address. So I'll check my email. They have sent again. I have to confirm that link which they have sent. See, they have written climate action project. So they have written a request to reset the password for your account has been made at climate action project. Then I have to click to this link which has come to my ID. I'll click on that, and there I go to login, and I can reset my new password. I can give my password both the way, then I can give my new password. The option which was there in the website, that is for that if you know your password and you actually want to reset it. This is for that if you forget your password, if you don't remember your password, and if your password is not working there, then you may go for that. This is for that. I hope now it is clear to everyone who got some issue regarding the password.
Yes, ma'am. This worked for me, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, Nisha. You have been very, very good at your job. So anybody has any query, want to ask something, tell something what their children have done, please, I'm very good at, on Twitter. You share your work to me and I'll share and I'll tweet for you that this particular school has done this job. So you can just share it in the climate action group, which we have made. I'll tweet for you. If you can tweet, then tag me so that I can retweet it. Both ways, okay.
Ma'am, I have understood what Nisha ma'am told just now. I have done that. I could do everything what she has told us, but only it is showing me a message that ma'am needs to accept me. So if you could just tell her to accept me, so I can use that account quickly. I can use it, ma'am.
So Coin has to accept you, right?
Yes, ma'am. Absolutely right.
I'm sure Kalyani will put it in the group. It'll happen. If it doesn't, then even I will put it. Don't worry. Okay, it's Kavaljeet, Kaval, right? Which school, beta?
Yes. CNM school, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'm sure she will do it. Otherwise, I'll do it. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
So anybody
Nisha,
else?
can you share that screenshot PPT for us so that I'll put it in the group. If anybody have any doubts, they can understand.
Ma'am, actually, I have shared my screen. I have directly logged into the website, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Yes, I'm sure the recording of the session would be there. If let me check, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Recording. This session is being recorded, so you may go for the recording also. That would really that would actually help, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
So anybody else has any challenges or any success story to share, please? So I don't hear anybody saying anything. So once again, we are great educators, we are great facilitators, and we need to take everybody along with us. Some might be slow, some might be fast, some may not be in the mood to do right now. It's okay. We don't need to take it to a head and heart that why you didn't do it and why she hasn't done it. It's okay. We still keep on encouraging everybody to move on. And if somebody wants to, put it up the website, even then it's all right. Let people who have done the job upload it themselves. But yes, if we inform the facilitators, it is always good because then they can talk about it in that the international facilitators group. So that's why some of us get a little this thing. So thank you so much for taking out your time on a Saturday evening. God bless you all. Maybe next Saturday we can meet again and share. If anybody has any challenge, we can do it. If we feel the meeting is not required, we'll not go for the meeting. So maybe on Friday, Charu Chabra, you can just check it up in the group. Do you want to have a meeting again? Share your success stories and challenges so that we can help each other. We can do it. Otherwise, as and when somebody has any query, you can please put it up. And we did mail to 110 educators, and we got half the number who are there on this call. It's okay. It's all right. Let's not take things very, very seriously during this tiring and taxing time. It's pandemic. It's once in a century now. So it's all right. Don't worry. I hope it's only once in a century. Okay, then. God bless you all. Good evening, and thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Good evening to you all.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye,
Thank you
guys.
so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.